everyone, it's me again, Imee Marquez, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video guys, we're going to transform my boring jackets into trendy one, into crop top jackets. So without further ado, let's do the cutting. Let's do the number 1 DIY. So guys, for the first step na gagawin natin dito sa my DIY number 1 is we're going to mark yung desired neckline nyo dun sa may neckline nya, and then we're going to mark tatlong lines na tigdi 3/4 ang gap nya. Tapos yung measurement ng top ko is 15 inches. Okay? And then we're going to cut it. And after cutting guys, we have now the fabric hole, yung dadaanan nung tie natin. Ilalagay natin dun sa may center part. Dapat guys, magkasing laki sila nung top ninyo, okay? And then dun sa natirang fabric is gagawin natin siyang tie, okay? So let's proceed in sewing. So for the first step is we're going to ihehem lang natin dun sa may neckline niya. Kung gusto niyo ng scallop or wavy hemline is you're just going to stretch it while sewing, okay? And i-hem din natin guys dun sa may bottom part niya, okay? And then we're now going to attach yung sa may fabric hole niya, yung 3 lines na fabric, ayan. So, ipipin natin siya, and then you're just going to remove the excess fabric guys, okay? And then you're going to sew a straight line dun sa may edges niya, dun sa may center part, and yun. And after that guys, we're now going to make the tie. And afternoon guys, is tatahiin lang natin yung sa may waistline niya. Gagawan lang natin siya ng dart para hindi masyado maluwang yung may waistline niya. If ever na maluwag sa inyo, gawan nyo ng darts, okay? And for the last step is, gawan natin siya ng sheared dun sa may bust niya, centered bust niya, para hindi siya plain tube lang, guys, no? So, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do support this video by liking it and sharing to your friends. Thank you for watching. We're going to see the final transformation now.